I bought 2 grass cups for 16 today. Let me share with you a very simple one. Delicious braised fish nuggets. First we find a spoon, scrape the scales clean. Then use scissors to cut off the fins. Bacteria are prone to remain on the fins and there's no meat. After washing, change the fish nuggets to knives. Cut into small pieces or to cm wide. After all are cut, put it in a larger bowl. Next, prepare a piece of ginger. Let's slice it first. Then I cut it into filaments. Prepare 2 more shallots. Cut into small pieces. After cutting, put it in a small bowl. Add a little cooking wine. Add some more warm water. Let's grab it. Squeeze out the scallion and ginger juice inside. Then pour the scallion and ginger water into the fish pieces. Then start grabbing it well. If you want to make fish pieces that are tender and not marinate fishy, it with scallion and ginger water. It can both remove the fishy smell and increase the fragrance. Grasp well and marinate for 10 分钟 use set aside. Next, prepare some garlic. Slice first. Then chop into minced garlic. After chopping, put it in a bowl and set aside. The remaining small piece of ginger, let's slice it first. Then cut into minced ginger. After cutting, put it together with the minced garlic for later use. Prepare some millet peppers. Cut it in circles. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare some shallots and cilantro. Cut into small pieces. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, whisk 2 cereals hen eggs into the bowl. Next, break up the eggs. Stir until you can't pick it up with chopsticks. At this time, our fish is almost marinated. We picked out the onion and ginger inside. Place the fish pieces in a larger bowl. Then pour the egg liquid into the fish. Then add 2 spoonfuls of flour to it. Start again and give it a good mix. Let every piece of fish be able to dip in egg batter. Grab the image in the video and that's about it. Next, make a sauce. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to the bowl, a spoonful of oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, sprinkle some pepper, a drop of sugar to freshen up, a little chicken essence. Add another spoonful of chili oil, small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Stir well and set aside for later use. Next up, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil. After the oil is hot, put the fish pieces into the pot piece by piece. Don't worry about flipping it after all are put into the pot. You can rotate the pot. Let it heat evenly. Fry until golden brown. Flip it over and fry the other side. Fry both sides until golden brown. Finally, in the fried imaging video, this is almost the same. Let's take out the fried fish pieces. Put it on a plate for later use. Add a little cooking oil to another pot. After the oil is hot, pour the ginger, garlic and chili down and fry until fragrant. Stir fry for sauce flavor. Fry out the red oil inside. After all the incense, then pour in the prepared sauce. The fried fish pieces are also poured down. Then gently flip with a shovel. Let the fish pieces soak in the soup. Then cover the pot. Simmer on high heat for 3到5分钟. It's time. Let's open the lid. Wow! And there was this aroma. Finally, sprinkle the chopped green onions and it's ready to go on top. It's very simple and delicious. Hometown braised fish nuggets are ready. Isn't that simple? Braised fish nuggets made according to this method. No fishy or firewood. Spicy appetizer. It's good to drink and eat. My family doesn't make enough every time I make a big plate. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.